Important events in my life. Welcome. Ever Jones. My name is Luis Ángel Caviedes. I studied technology in electromechanical maintenance at the University Manuela Beltrán. Your favorite vacation? Question 1. Where did you go? I went to the city of Armenia and visited the coffee park. Question 2. Where did you go with? I went with my wife, my 2 children, and a friend from work together with his family. Question 3. When was the vacation? We went in the month of September of the year 2019. A childhood memory. Question 1. What was the situation important in your life? It was important because my dad taught me how to make cakes or all styles and I played with them. Question 3. What were you with? I was with my brothers, my father and friends on the block. Your favorite moment at school? Question 1. What were you with? I was with my soccer team, my teammates, and the goal director. Question 2. When did the event happen? It was in the sport week of 1997 when I was studying in 7 years. Question 3. Where were you? I was in the sports stadium. The crystal was on the court of the neighborhood. Conclusion. I can conclude that the important events in my life were beautiful moments which will always remain in my memory.